told me to be glad and to rejoice, because it was the Lord who made the choice to bless you with the rain abundantly. I ask you of the Lord, you shall receive. This last day revival's gonna be the most, the greatest outpouring of the Holy Ghost. Let it rain, yeah, yeah, let it rain. Joel prophesied a revival of let it rain, yeah. You shall eat and plenty and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord Most High. Let it rain, yeah, yeah, let it rain. He said he would restore you as before. The wheat shall be lying full on the floor. The fat shall overflow with oil and wine. Somebody said we'd have a Holy Ghost time. His mighty works, they'll surely show. People get ready for the wind to blow. Let it rain, yeah, rain, let it rain. Joel prophesied a revival of let it rain, yeah. You shall eat and plenty and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord Most High. Let it rain, yeah, yeah, let it rain. Joel prophesied a revival of let it rain, yeah. You shall eat and plenty and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord Most High. Let it rain, yeah, yeah, let it rain. He said he would restore you as before. The wheat shall be lying full on the floor. The fat shall overflow with oil and wine. Somebody said we'd have a Holy Ghost time. His mighty works, they'll surely show. People get ready for the wind to blow. Let it rain, hey, hey, let it rain. Joel prophesied a revival of let it rain, yeah. You shall eat and plenty and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord Most High. Let it rain, hey, hey, let it rain. Let it rain, yeah, let it rain. Praise the Lord.
That's an all right song. Yeah.